Okay, Cecilia, I'm seeing in front of me a lot of aerators and these for your showers, and you're holding some nice shiny one there. Tell me a little bit about this one that you have, one of your new products.
Well, Anna, this is the TriMax Showerhead, and we've actually created a series. There is an aerator to match. And so the unique feature of this showerhead and aerator combo is that it has 3 different flow rates. So when you're in the shower, you can actually switch from a 0.5 gallon per minute.
Let me see if I can get that. I don't know if I can. I'm trying my best here, listeners and readers.
And then it switches to a 1.0 gallon per minute to a 1.5 gallon per minute. So you would use the 0.5 gallon per minute to task. So if you're just washing your hair or shaving in the shower, you can reduce the flow of water, and then you can click back up to a 1 gallon per minute or the 1.5 gallon per minute to rinse and shower. So it greatly reduces the amount of water being used by half, pretty much. A lot of showers are still at I believe it's 2.25 gallon per minute. So we've reduced that to a 0.5, and there are pressure compensators which help the flow of water to come through without sacrificing that pressure and that steady stream. So that's what our showerhead does.
Now,
our aerator.
Let me just stop you a second. I see over there a bunch of odor,
Sure.
like that. Tell me kind of the difference. I know that you have the capabilities of being able to, adjust your water flow. What are most of the ones on the market which kind of resemble more like that? What kind of flow do they have?
Well, these actually are still high efficiency shower heads. And we have a range of, these are our Earth. This is our original line of shower heads. And they've been very popular over the last 10 years. And they range from 2 gallons per minute to 1.5 gallon per minute. And there's nothing different. It's just how much you want to conserve water. Some people feel there is a difference with a 2 gallon per minute. Other people don't see a difference with a 1.5. I have the 1.5 in my home, and I see no difference. And I've been using it for quite some time now.
And how much does that cost?
So these retail in white for, I believe, $14.95, and we also have them available in chrome for $24.95.
And the newest baby?
That one goes for $27.99, along with the aerator for $11.50. So this aerator does the same as the showerhead. It has 3 flow rates: 0.5, 1, and 1.5. And essentially with the 0.5, you can lower the flow rate of the water when you're doing a task. So if you're in between brushing your teeth or washing your face or shaving, you can reduce that to a 0.5 gallon per minute. And then you can increase the rate as you need to rinse and wash off. So it greatly reduces the amount of water, since many faucets have aerators that are, in the range of 2.2 or usually not higher. The EPA Water Sense, I believe their standards are now at 1.5 gallons per minute. So many companies adhere to that. So we've been able to meet and exceed the standards of the EPA Water Sense by creating something that is no more than 1.5 gallon per minute, and you can reduce greatly to 0.5 gallon per minute.
Now, a lot of people don't know who Niagara is. That Niagara is not one of the new boys on the block. Tell us just a brief, history of Niagara.
Niagara Conservation has been around for 36 years. They've always focused on creating and bringing to market water conservation and energy conservation products that are cost efficient for the homeowner. So they're not looking to bring, $75 shower heads. They're a company that believes that conservation is accessible to everyone, not just people who can afford it. Many years ago, this was one of the first shower heads that was created. It actually had this little control valve, which is, we call it a soap and soak valve. So you just flip this little lever and it reduces the amount and the flow of water. And you flip it back up to continue the stream.
Is that still available?
Yes, it actually still is available. And something as simple as that, that's where it all started.
Wow.
And this product evolved into the Earth Showerhead, and we also have our Earth Showerhead available with the same soap and soak valve.
I'm just going to take a real quick showing for everybody to see a board. I'm actually in Niagara's boardroom, and you have to see this board because this is like all of their products. It just, I mean, from shrink wrap, well, it's not shrink wrap, storm window kits. I mean, look at this, all the water heads. I mean, these people love water conservation. Look at this. It is amazing. Cecilia, what's like on tap for the future of Niagara?
Let's see. So this is it. This is pretty much, this is our new product, and then shortly we'll be showing you our toilets. And so our toilets are very cutting edge. We just came back from the National Kitchen and Bath Show, and we had a really great response to our new Stealth toilet, which only flushes at 0.8 gallons per flush, which is under 1 gallon. It far exceeds anything on the market right now. So that's some really exciting product that we're working with and trying to bring to market and bring to the awareness of the general public.
Well, that's exciting because I like low flow toilets. So I guess we're going to go see that next.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much for showing us all your aerators. Now, where can people buy these?
Currently, they can buy them at itseasybeingreen.com. And purchase them direct, and soon they'll be in some local retailers and big box stores over the next few months.
That's great. So let's go see the toilet.
Okay.